On your left, you see the cocoa fruit, and on your right, you see the coffee beans. Coffee is made from coffee beans, and chocolate is made from cocoa plant or the cocoa fruit that you can see right in your screen right now. Both are very common in Kerala, and it is pretty amazing to see that people over there actually have both coffee and cocoa plant inside their homes. So this is the ripened cocoa fruit. And over here, this is how a coffee plant looks like. This is like a home garden, and you see the coffee beans, the green colored beans. And these are always happening in clusters. And to make coffee, you have to wait for this to ripen up, and then you can take out the fruit, dry the beans, and have your coffee. So this is a coffee plant, as you can see.
Coffee plant.
It's the green bean. So I'll show you what happens when it turns red. That is when you pluck, take out the seed, and make coffee out of it. So this is what happens. The coffee plant, when it ripens, seeds become like this. You eat the outer part and take the seeds from inside, and you grind it, dry it, grind it, and make coffee out of it. Cool, na? And this is a ripened cocoa fruit to make our chocolate. So this is a cocoa fruit from the cocoa plant, and this is all ripened. So let's see what's inside and how we actually make chocolate. Here you go. Oh, so these are the cocoa seeds, beans, right? That's right. And you can eat this pulp?
Yes.
Hmm.
Seed you remove. That seed, with that seed we make chocolate seed.
So
This we
after
will
sucking
dry
up the pulp with the seed, you make chocolate.
chocolate.
You have to dry this seeds, right?
Wash and dry.
Wash and dry. So as we wait for our chocolate beans to dry up, if you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.